So she works here, and she is making a pant that is too bright, and we do it smaller. That's a new machine, so it does very good. And next we put this inside. Nu weet ik niet hoe elastiek is in Engels. Elastic misschien, ja. But we will let's see when she's done how we do it. Dus we gaan die broek volledig afmaken. Hè. Ik ga nu pauze doen, dat je nu aan het stikken bent, en dan laat ik zien. So she's almost ready. And here she makes the pants. We make also a bag from it. Eva, pak eens die zak, ja. So it becomes such a bag. So it becomes a bag, and we're gonna do it with this pants. Ja. En dan probeer ik eens in Engels uit te leggen. Hoe zeg je rutsen in het Engels?
A zipper.
Zipper, a zipper. So in this jacket, where was the zipper broken? So what will we do now? We will do a new zipper. So that's the first step that we do. And when it's finished, I will let you see when it's finished. And when we also do it on the machine. Now she's putting the zipper in the jacket. You see? Normaal niet. Je kunt niet onder je persvoet, dat gaat niet. Je vinger is te dik. Het is niet erg. Doe gewoon op je gemak. Je moet denken dat we hier niet zijn. Nee, echt, hè? Dat geeft een goed gevoel. Dan, ja. See how she do it? Very slow. And when she's sure, she goes further. So, yeah. And that's the jacket. So we do here also retouche. I don't know what is in English.
I am Tim.
Tim, and what do you do here?
This is my first day, and I'm doing a stage. I don't know how to say it in English, but so I'm going to.
You still go to school?
No, my school is finished.
Finished,
but
yeah.
I only have to do the
stage.
the work for school actually. Yeah.
And then you have finished.
And then I get my diploma, and then I can search for a job in the social work section.
Social, like here, the same.
Like here
same
or
place.
other places. Yeah.
Okay, nice. And now you want to learn soya? With the machine?
Sewing.
Sewing. Yeah. You like that to do?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, this
Yeah,
is my
so that's
first
your first time?
experience.
Yeah.
Yes. So yeah, we'll see if it's going
Yeah,
to
it's
work.
nice that a boy wants to learn soya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. Thank you very much. Now we're gonna do cottons, shorter. So follow me on the steps that we do. So we must take now the measurement. It's for a client. So clients come here to that we make things for them, like shorter or longer or these things. So follow us. hoeveel?
How
15 and
much?
70.
133.
133.
Hey.
In
133. We need plus 3,
centimeter
zoom.
maatwaarde
37.
37. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Sure. Zijn we erop? Ja. Oké.
And then we need to count from here,
You can, yeah.
the low side, the bottom.
Wait a minute. Make it shorter.
Yes.
Voilà. Okay.
How much do we have?
We have 42. No,
Is this 42
nee,
or that?
41.
What is that? Is this the, yeah?
That's 41.
Yeah?
So, the other one, 41. 41.
We take this at the other side, yes?
Yeah. 41
Yes.
here.
Okay.
Okay, now we have the measurement and we're gonna cut it. Kijk hè, je ziet hè, altijd
Ja,
hier
ik
hè,
zie,
dat
ja.
dat,
Ja,
dat een beetje,
Ja,
dat een beetje
oké.
trekken.
Doe maar rustig en dan
Ja?
zien we u vredig.
Oké. Cut it, now we cut it. Are you sure? Je denkt niet knippen en dan is het, stel je voor. Nu kun je van deze handdoekjes maken.
Otherwise I pay him another curtain. When it's my fault, I have to
Pay it.
set it right.
That's my colleague here.
Yeah.
She's too beautiful to get on the camera. The camera will blow up. I don't take her on the camera.
Yeah, right.
She will blow. My camera will blow up.
If you can hear my smile, it's enough.
That's enough. More than enough. So one is done.
Yeah, okay.
We have it.
I hope so.
We- There are new cottons. Huh? Wait, let's see this. There are new cottons. You see, but the measurement is not right. So we must make sure that it's
Straight.
straight. And now we must take again the measurement.
And the good one, not the wrong one.
Yeah. Voilà. So. Zeg maar hè.
So now he's going to make the hem. So he's going to fold it twice, double. And there you see the line we have drawn before. And it just has to, yeah, be on that line.
Feeling hè, moet je zeggen.
It's on a feeling, yes.
Dus
Someone who has done this a lot can do it like that.
35 years.
35 years of experience. And then he takes the iron and just to leave a mark that it stays like that, the curtain. So it's a lot easier afterwards to knit it. Very important is to do this work with love, just how Lucio does it every time.
Every time. A lot of love. doen is voor de eerste stuk. Op de video.
And now we are going to stop, and on the next film or movie you can see how it goes further, okay?
So we are now on the cottons. What I have let you see here, we cotton, and that are the cottons. And now we must finish it. It's not finished, so I must do something like this on the back side. Okay, so now I'm gonna work again. So normally you must be, how do you say it? Normally you must make in a way that it's easy, but because I do it for years, it works for me. So if I teach the people, then we must do it like it should be. So for me, I do only this, and I know plus minus how much I must take off and do. So there we go. So I must take the other side. Yeah, that's the work from the cottons. See. Voila. So I begin now, and I'll let you see when I'm finished. Okay? Till